So the question is, as observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. So there is a lighthouse which is of height 75 meter and there are two ships. Till the previous question we were having the ground level. Now for this question it is a sea level. And the angle of depression are given as 30 degree and 45 degree. And the condition says that one ship is exactly behind the other and on the same side of the lighthouse. And the question is to find the distance between the two ships. So let this be a lighthouse and this be one of our ship. Okay. The second ship is there which is just behind the other and they are on the same side lighthouse and the two ships are on the same side of the lighthouse. And this is the sea level. Okay, and it is given that to the two ships the angle of depressions are, one is 30 degree and the second one is 45 degree. Can you identify the line of sight to the ship from the tower? This is the line of sight to the first ship, isn't it? So the red color shows the line of sight for the second ship, isn't it? This rose color shows the line of sight of the first ship and the red color shows the line of sight for the second ship. Then can you say which is the horizontal level? Is it this one? No. From where we are looking? From the top of the tower. From the top of the lighthouse, isn't it? So how will be the line of sight? This scale will be the horizontal level, isn't it? The scale represents the horizontal level. This red color represents the line of sight to this ship. And this rose color represents the line of sight to the first ship. Okay, so which will be the angle of depression? One angle will be the scale and the red color. And the second angle will be the scale which makes with the rose color. Those two are the angles of depression. Okay, if angles are on top, we are not able to identify the trigonometric functions. To identify it, I will make it clear in the paper. So we will draw the figure. Let this be the lighthouse. Okay, C be the position of the first ship, BC be the sea level. Again, D be the position of the second ship, BD will be also the sea level. Horizontal level will be this one. Let this be AX. This AX will be clearly parallel to the sea level. Okay, AX will be parallel to BD. Again, if I want to draw the line of sight to the ship which is on position D, this will be the line of sight. So, which will be the angle of depression? This makes the angle of depression. Okay. Again, the next ship is standing at the position C. So, the line of sight will be AC. Then can you say which is the angle of elevation? Sorry, angle of depression. Angle of depression will be this one because this dotted line represents the line of sight. Dotted line represents the horizontal line and AC represents the line of sight. Therefore, this blue colored marking will be the angle of depression. Okay, two angles are given 30 and 45 degree. From these two, if we are not able to identify which is 30 and which is 45, the easiest way is among 30 and 45, which is the greater of the angle? 45. From the marking itself, it is clear which is the angle having more, black mark or the blue mark. It is clear that the blue marking have angle more, isn't it? So this will be 45 degree and the black color will be 30 degree. Now if the angles are here, we are not able to apply trigonometric ratio because when we have to apply trigonometric ratio, the triangle must be a right triangle and 90 degrees stands on B. So what we are going to do is, I already told AX is parallel to BD, isn't it? If these two lines are parallel, we have a property. What's the property? Alternate angles are equal. So XAC will be equal to ACB, isn't it? So this angle will also be equal to 45 degree. Clear? Same way, XAD will be equal to ADB. Though it is trigonometry, we are applying the property of the parallel lines. So this angle will be 30 degree. Okay, now leaving this, just take triangles, right triangles ABC and the right triangle ABD. And again, one more value is given in the question, 75-meter high lighthouse, which was our lighthouse in the figure AB. So AB is given as 75 meter. And again I am repeating, if the one of the angles of the given two angles is 45 degree, we have to take the triangle in which the angle is 45 degrees. So which triangle we will be taking first? ABC. So from triangle ABC, we are going to apply tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB divided by adjacent side is BC. Tan 45, the value is 1. 1 is equal to AB is the height of the lighthouse, which is 75 by BC. So we are getting, when we cross multiply, BC as 75 meters. So we got BC as 75 meters. What is our question? To find the distance between the two ships. From the figure, which is the position of the first ship C and the position of the next ship is D. So the distance between the two ships means we have to find the distance between CD, isn't it? Now we got only BC. BC means this length. That is not the question. We have to find CD. So what we have to do is take the next right triangle. Which is the next right triangle? ABD. From right triangle ABD, which ratio we will apply? This is angle 30 degree. So this side is opposite side and we need this length, this CD. So that side is the adjacent side, part of the adjacent side. So here also we will apply tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to opposite side AB divided by adjacent side BD. Tan 30, what is the value? 1 by root 3 is equal to AB is the height of the lighthouse, which is 75 by, instead of BD, what we can write? BC plus CD, isn't it? BC plus CD. BC we already got the value as 75. So instead of BD, we can write as 75 plus CD. So we can write 75 plus CD. Just cross multiply. 1 into 75 plus CD gives you 75 plus CD is equal to 75 into root 3 gives you 75 root 3. And CD will be equal to 75 root 3 minus 75. Take 75 outside. So 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter. So CD, what was CD? The distance between two ships. C and D were the position of the ships. So CD will be the distance between two ships, and CD we got the value as 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter. Again I repeat, if the value of root 3 is given in the question as 1.73, you must substitute the value. Take the difference with 1, multiply with 75 and write the decimal value. Otherwise, 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter can be the answer. Okay. This figure you have to keep in mind. Two ships, angle of elevation is not in the down position. It is at the top. We are applying the parallel line condition to apply the trigonometric ratios. Okay.